Every shipment is carefully weighed and documented before entering the recycling process. This ensures complete material tracking from start to finish. After unloading, every shipment is transferred to the receiving area, where it is prepared for the first stage of manual sorting.
Technicians inspect every router before deciding its next destination. Repairable units are separated from devices meant for recycling.
Working devices may receive a second life through refurbishment. Only damaged units enter the recycling line. Once disassembled, we can clearly identify the valuable materials. Here we have the copper wiring and the aluminum heatsink, ready for recovery. Every material is separated before mechanical recycling begin. Copper, aluminum, plastics, and circuit boards each follow different processing lines. The empty plastic casing enters a dedicated recycling stream. Removing contaminants improves the quality of recycled plastic. Powerful shredders reduce the plastic into small, uniform pieces. These flakes will later become new recycled plastic products. Printed circuit boards and cables are shredded into smaller pieces for efficient material recovery. This creates a uniform mixture ready for advanced separation.
Secondary crushing increases the liberation of metals from plastic and fiberglass. Smaller particles improve separation accuracy.
Vibrating screens classify the material into consistent sizes. Oversized pieces are automatically sent back for reprocessing. Powerful magnets recover steel components from the shredded material. Only non-ferrous materials continue to the next stage. An eddy current separator removes lightweight non-ferrous aluminum. Copper-rich particles remain for further recovery. Air classification removes lightweight plastic from the metal mixture. Heavier copper particles continue through the recycling process. Recovered copper concentrate is carefully inspected before refining. Quality checks ensure efficient downstream processing.
Specialized cable granulators strip insulation from copper wiring. This produces cleaner copper ready for refining. The recovered copper is now nearly free from insulation and contaminants. It is ready for the final refining stage.
Recovered copper enters an induction furnace for high-temperature refining. The melting process removes impurities before new copper products are cast. The recovered copper melts inside an induction furnace at extremely high temperatures. The liquid metal is carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality.
Oxides and surface impurities are skimmed away during refining. This improves the quality of the recycled copper.
Laboratory testing confirms the recycled copper meets industrial specifications. Only approved batches continue to casting.
The refined copper flows directly into a continuous casting machine. Precise pouring ensures a stable production process. Continuous casting transforms molten copper into solid industrial rods. Controlled cooling prevents internal defects. Cooling locks in the rod's structure and mechanical strength. The recycled copper is now ready for finishing. Automatic cutting systems produce standardized copper rod lengths. Each section is prepared for inspection. Every recycled copper rod is inspected for size and surface quality. Only approved products continue to shipment. The finished copper rods are bundled and labeled for industrial customers. Every batch remains fully traceable. These recycled copper rods will become new electrical wires, communication cables, and industrial conductors. Not all valuable materials are recovered inside this factory. PCB concentrates are sent to specialized refineries for precious metal extraction. Specialized refining technology recovers valuable metals from electronic circuit boards. These metals are purified for future industrial use. Even tiny amounts of gold, silver, and palladium are worth recovering. These metals are reused to manufacture new electronic components. The router's plastic housing is transformed into recycled plastic pellets. These pellets become raw material for new plastic products. Recycled plastic is prepared for manufacturers producing new plastic goods. Nothing valuable is allowed to go to waste. Steel recovered from old routers is compressed for efficient transportation. It will later be melted and reused by steel manufacturers. Recovered aluminum returns to the manufacturing industry instead of becoming waste. It can be recycled repeatedly with minimal material loss. Every recovered material has a new purpose in modern manufacturing. Careful organization ensures efficient delivery to industrial customers. Recycled materials leave the factory to begin another manufacturing cycle. This circular system reduces the demand for newly mined resources. Recycling old Wi-Fi routers conserves natural resources and keeps electronic waste out of landfills. The recycling process never stops, as new electronic waste arrives every day. Each shipment brings another opportunity to recover valuable materials.
Modern recycling factories operate continuously to maximize material recovery. Waste enters one side, while valuable raw materials leave the other.
Recovered copper begins a completely new manufacturing journey. These rods will soon become electrical and communication wires.
Precision drawing machines transform recycled copper rods into high-quality wire. The recovered metal is ready for countless new applications. The recycled copper is now ready to power homes, industries, and communication networks. Its journey began inside an old Wi-Fi router. Every department works together to recover the maximum amount of valuable material. Efficiency and precision drive the entire recycling process. Recycling reduces the need for mining and protects valuable natural resources. Every recovered material supports a more sustainable manufacturing industry. A single discarded router can supply valuable materials for many new products. Nothing useful is wasted when recycling is done correctly. Every recovered material is ready to begin another manufacturing life. Recycling transforms electronic waste into valuable industrial resources. From discarded Wi-Fi routers to pure copper, every step gives electronic waste a second.
Batch 7, scanned and verified.
Perfect. I'll put the approved label on now.
Recycled copper becomes new electrical cables, while recycled plastics and metals return to modern manufacturing. What was once an obsolete Wi-Fi router has become pure copper, recycled plastic, steel, and other